Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel once more. So in today's video I'll be discussing the various ways through which non-resident Indians can invest in Indian markets and take benefit of the growing Indian market and economy. Friends, I'm Hemant Kumar Verma. I'm a AMFI registered mutual fund distributor and a financial planner. Few days ago, I had posted a video on how NRIs can secure their financial freedom through proper financial planning. And in continuation of same, today I am going to discuss various ways and means in which NRIs can invest in Indian markets. Friends, you might be knowing that there are mainly two ways to invest in stock markets. One is to go for a direct investment through your portfolio of selected shares, and the other is through the medium of mutual funds. And mutual funds have got slight benefit in the way that your investments are carried out by experienced and qualified fund manager. Friends, if you want to do direct investments yourself, you need to spend a lot of time in research, in finding which stocks to invest in, and also you need a lot of time and research to monitor them and decide upon when to invest, when to get out, and all those things. This may not be very easy and possible for today's executives because of their busy schedule and workloads. In order to invest in Indian securities markets, there are several requirements, and the main requirements are first, you must be having NRE and NRO account in India, and second requirement is that you must have NRE KYC. So without NRI KYC, you cannot invest in security markets. In order to have your NRI KYC done, you need to be present in India when it's being applied. And if you are coming to India, you can inform us beforehand, and we can advise you all the requirements beforehand, so that when we arrive in India, it can be done smoothly without wasting any time. There is another way to invest in India, and that is through the route of insurance. In insurance also there are plans like ULIP, which are linked to securities markets, and they provide good returns like the stock market has been giving in India. Friends, there are several benefits of investing in India through insurance route. First thing is that you get benefit of insurance. Second is that you get appreciation of your money, which is a decent rate. Also, there are tax benefits. Your premiums are tax free within certain limits, and when you get the maturity benefit, that also is tax free in India. Another benefit of the insurance route is that if you are NRI, you are exempted from paying GST. Also, the medical requirements are quite easy. You need not be present in India for medical tests under certain conditions of age and income. You can get medical tests done through video consultations, and if you are selecting a government company for insurance in India, your premiums and maturity benefits, etc., are all secured by law and guaranteed by Government of India. The insurance policies in India can be taken online, and you need not go to India, wait for going to India for taking insurance policies. This system of purchasing online insurance policies is called mail order business, and we can help you at each step of this process. So friends, if you are desirous of taking the benefits of growing Indian market and economy through investments in stock markets and insurance, please do contact us. Our contact details are given in the description. We help you invest through Bombay Stock Exchange, and we have a platform of fund expert through which we carry out the investments. Friends, our platform is completely free. It doesn't involve any cost like some other platforms or apps, so you get the benefit of that. Please like our video, and please share it with your friends and relatives who may be staying abroad, and this will really help them to grow their wealth and diversify their investments. Friends, I request you to subscribe to my channel. This will help us greatly in making more such videos for your information, and it will help us achieve our mission of helping all Indians and non-resident Indians to achieve financial freedom and bring prosperity to themselves and their families, and also to our country. Thank you.